Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. We are the Southern Belles. I'm Rebekah.
And I'm Wanda.
And today we have something a little bit different for you guys. So if you've seen some of our previous videos, you might already know, but you also might not know that both of us are really big Disney fans. So for Mother's Day this year, I got my mom a Disney subscription box. And that is Bibbidi Bobbidi Boxes. I also get this box myself and do unboxings of it over on my channel, but we thought since this was her box that we would share it with you guys.
This is my very first one, and I've seen what she's received in hers, and it's a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun. So this is a Disney subscription box, and the level that she got today is $59.99, but they do have boxes ranging from $9.99 all the way to $119.99. And I'll get into some more details after she opens her box, but I guess go ahead and get started. Let's get started.
Okay, I'm very excited. This was very sweet. This means a lot right here.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. And we did fill out a profile.
Yes, you get to fill out your preferences. So she said everything she liked that was Disney, everything she didn't like, kinds of products that she liked, products that she didn't like, all that fun stuff.
Oh, it's got little star confetti.
You see it? It's so pretty. Alright, what is the first thing you see?
Oh look, there's even stars here on the, well, it's stuck to the top.
Yeah, that looks pretty.
Okay, the first thing I see is this Daisy Duck card, which in my favorite colors. Laughter is timeless, imagination has no age, and dreams are forever. And that is a quote by Walt Disney. And on the back it says send a photo or video on Instagram and mention or tag us. And my box was curated by Reagan.
Reagan curated her box. Thank you, Reagan.
And
oh, I gotta take this away from her. This next thing.
Spoiler alert. So I'm not gonna look
yes,
at
we're not
that.
gonna let her look at the spoiler alert.
And that's Disney.
Yeah, it has Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck having tea on it. That's really cute.
And then here is the sticker that says Bibbidi.
It's a really pretty pink color. Perfect for Mother's Day.
I love to hear Rebekah say Bibbidi Bobbidi Box.
Bibbidi Bobbidi Box.
Okay.
You ready? Are you excited? I'm excited for her.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes.
We're trying to get back to Disney sometime soon, but it's not reopened yet, so at least it makes it easier to not be able to go when it's not even open.
I tore it. I'm sorry.
Alright, so let's see what the first thing you pull out of there is.
Lots of these.
Yeah, lots of confetti stuff.
Alright, let's go over here.
Okay.
Alright, this is kind of heavy.
So what's the first thing you're pulling out?
Yay! I was just saying.
I know what this is.
I've been watching some of the Bibbidi Bobbidi box unboxings. It's a blue candle. Great big
Beautiful Tomorrow. Oh, that's like one of our favorite attractions is Carousel of Progress. Cool.
Oh.
Does it smell good?
It smells fruity, but I'm not sure what kind.
Oh, that does smell good. Almost like raspberry, maybe?
Look.
Or it smells blueberry. That's what it smells like. It smells like blueberry.
But it's got a little bit of a citrusy hint.
That's
too,
true.
A little pop of citrus,
Good.
and it's got glitter in there.
It's so pretty. And one of the cool things about these kinds of candles, this is a Wishes candle. Wishes candles have pins inside. So when she burns it, she'll find a pin.
A Disney pin.
You gotta smell it
like
again.
a tray. Yeah,
good.
it really does. I like that smell. I like it a lot.
Cool. Well, I'm a fan of that.
And it's really hard because she's gotten 2 candles, I think.
2 candles.
And it's really hard because you want to save the candle, but you want to get to the pin.
And yeah, it is.
Okay, so that's exciting.
Okay, so there's one of your items. Let's see what else you got.
Oh, this feels long.
Oh, this is interesting.
There's another
And it's got a seal. It looks like a seal.
Yeah, wax seal. It feels like a kitchen
Ooh.
item, which is something that I put down.
She put down that she would love kitchen items. It's like Minnie Mouse.
It is.
Oh, that's cute.
I wonder if that's like a cake slicer.
Maybe so.
Server slicer.
That's cute. And it is got, it's like Minnie Mouse with the polka dots on it.
I like that.
That is cute.
It's very subtly Disney. That's what I like.
That's, yeah.
You know, I'm not a big
in your face kind of person. Got some more stuff in there.
Yeah, there's something else up here. This is a...
Oh, it's a luggage tag. It's a Finding Your New
Oh,
luggage
okay.
tag. And it matches, we actually got her new luggage for Christmas, and it matches her luggage. And she's going on a trip this weekend.
I got a ladies' conference.
So that's perfect.
Yay.
Cute. That's adorable.
That is cute. And there's something else.
Oh, this keeps going.
Oh. It's a keychain. It's a keychain.
Oh, it's a keychain. It's Olaf. This kitty. Cute.
It's got like little, like it's texture.
Yeah, it's like little snowballs. It looks like little snowballs, little white crystal type things. Cool.
That is cute.
That is cute. Is that everything?
No,
That's not everything. Oh, it keeps going.
What's this?
Ooh, I don't know.
Does it tell in the spoiler thing?
Let me see.
It looks like it could be a headband. Oh, I think it is.
This is the Bee by Bibbidi Resort Collection Animal Kingdom Lodge inspired Jumbo reversible headband.
Reversible. Okay, it's black on that side with like spots, like animal spots. There. And then it's got this pretty pattern.
Cool. That'll be good for when you go on a walk or work out. She's been doing a lot of working out here at home.
Let's see. I'm sure this will turn out well. Actually, this will be good because I have a head full of hair and yeah. Okay, I would have to work with it, but yeah.
Yeah, cute.
I do like anything that keeps my hair back out of my face.
Definitely. Oh, this is neat. I've never seen a box quite like this. Like, this has a lot of different things in it that I don't see people get a lot. So, just to recap, she got this great big beautiful Tamara candle. She got this Minnie Mouse inspired spatula. She got this pretty Olaf keychain. And she got the Finding Nemo luggage tag.
And?
Oh, and the headband. Yes, and the headband. You got a lot of things.
I did.
A lot of things in the box. So I'll read the packing slip now. So the spatula was a Foothills Forge handcrafted Minnie Mouse inspired wooden spatula with a retail value of $14.99. She got a Wishes candle, 8-ounce candle, Carousel of Progress attraction inspired, which retails at $20. She got the Disney Parks exclusive luggage tag, which means it comes from Disney Parks, and it retails at $8.95. She got the Disney Parks exclusive keychain, a sequin Olaf keychain, and that retails at $14.95. And the Bee by Bibbidi Resort Collection Animal Kingdom Lodge inspired headband was $14.99 for a total retail value of $73.88. And this box was $59.99. So that's amazing. That's an amazing retail value.
And I think you told me that the purpose is not so much of maybe saving $55 on a box, but
right, just having it curated to your taste and having that surprise, that Disney surprise, bringing a little Disney magic to your day.
That's right.
So yeah, so this is Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. This is the name of the company. You should definitely check out their website. Like I said, you can fill out a profile with all of your preferences. They send a very extensive list, even asking things like, would you like snacks in your box or not? Would you like t-shirts or not? You know, would you like exclusively Disney items, or would you be okay with small shop items? And then, like I said, they do range in price from $9.99 to $119.99. But yeah, I've really loved the subscription service so far, and I hope that you really like your box too.
This was so much fun. I just love Olaf. I like.
Is that your favorite item? What's your favorite item?
Oh, good. I don't know. I really don't. Because I also have to remember there's a pen in here as well.
Yes, that's true.
This just smells And everything's so different. I mean,
Yeah,
it's not like,
yeah.
you know, it's different, and so I like it all. There's not anything that I don't like. And this, I'll be able to find my suitcase easily.
That's right. She can find Nemo. Yeah, finding Nemo.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you. This was a lot of fun. This was very different, but it was a lot of fun.
That was fun. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you want to see my unboxing here, and probably sometime next week, you can check that out over at my channel, which is Dole Whip a Day. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Thanks, y'all.